Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log in into PayPal using a 2FA Authenticator app. So you need PayPal information for login. I have there for information and login browser and search PayPal login, press enter. See the login website PayPal. It's loading little bit. See the login page. Now you need to put their email, copy mail from notepad, then paste, then next. Then you need PayPal password. Copy the password from notepad and put the password. Then click login. Not now. So no need to number verification, no OTP from number. It's loading. Just a second. See, enter code from your authenticator app. So no need to Google Authenticator app or no any app. Just open new tab and search 2FA Auth. Then enter. See the 2FA Auth. Click here and in notepad add 2FA code. So copy the 2FA authenticator code and paste here, then click submit. You get 6-digit login code. Copy code and go PayPal tab and paste here the 6-digit code, then submit. See, the PayPal account is login. So uh, this is the 2FA authenticator login video, and if you need casino support for PayPal, Cash App, Chime, Venmo, and any other payment method, then feel free to join my Telegram or feel free to direct inbox me. So this is the PayPal login without number verification, OTP, or anything. Just you need 2FA authenticator like this code. So that's for today.